I need sunshine, I need angels, I need. So I'm thinking that I need blue skies, I need.
I'm on day 5 or 6. No sugar. No sugar, no nothing.
Hey guys, so I'm whoa. My voice. Get it together. Wow, I just snapped really good. I'm never a good snapper. Like, I'm gonna enjoy this. Okay, I'm done. So I am on just a really bad, unhealthy kick right now, and I'm continuing it. I don't understand. Like, it's just, I've been so tired, and like now all I do is seek for the easiest ways to eat something good. Eat something that tastes good. Like, I want to drink more green juice. Okay, my teacup is just way too far, so I'm not going to try to get that. So I'm not even going to try to get that. Like, I want to eat, I want to drink green juice again, but it's just, it takes so much time and so much work just to make the green juice because I don't have a good blender. Like, I really want the Blend Tech because that works so great, and it just works in like a matter of 30 seconds. And this one, my Ninja, it takes like at least an hour and a half. Like, that is such a hassle. At least an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how tired I am, how much energy I have. And I don't really want to, it's just such a hassle. And some days I can't even do it because I'm too tired. I get home late at night from school. So, you know, you can imagine how tired I am. And I'm just watching my own vlogs right now. I know it's so weird, but I just can't help but I like to remember what happened lately and just recap on things, see what happened. I don't know. And I just can't help but laugh at myself. I'm so funny. It's so weird. I'm not funny like in a jokey kind of girl, or like, you know, in a group where you like say stuff and it's like, ha ha ha, that's so funny. I'm just funny because I'm stupid. Oh, it's so awesome. Great encouragement, Vicky. Thanks, Victoria. Oh my gosh, my mom got enough. Man, oh, she got to get the ones with 25% less sugar. She knows I add a lot more sugar. Whatever. Anyway, yes, I get to drink hot chocolate with my milk today. I thought this was the old one because it was like at the bottom, it was like around here. So I didn't drink it because Valerie and Vanessa, they like to drink it too. So I just left it for them. But now that she got a new one, yes! Okay, so you guys, I've been thinking about this since last night. A lot of you guys like to watch me for my hiccups and stuff like that. And I've like tested it out and whatever for a little bit. Sorry you guys, I tested on you. When I write hiccups in my title, you guys watch it like 1,000 times more. When I write down the hiccups in the title, I do actually have hiccups, and I do show you guys I have hiccups, or I talk about hiccups. So, I'm thinking about making a video on hiccups, just so that you guys can, you know, just let it all out there. I can lay it all out there, you can lay it all out there. Ask me your questions and stuff like that. Just put your questions down in the just comment down your questions, and I will gather them all and answer them for you guys, hopefully, and make sure they're not inappropriate. Yeah. So my mom went out and bought more wrapping paper, and it's these two pieces. Oh, Vanessa, I can't show you guys because Vanessa watches my vlogs sometimes, and yeah. Okay. Okay. And my mom just got these 2 new wrapping papers, and they look so cute, you guys. Can it focus? Oh man, it looks so cute! Oh my gosh, how adorable! And they were $3.99. So, and at Marshall's, I hot glue gun devoured. You guys remember? I made it look really cute. It was hard work. Anyway, I don't know which one I like more. But I love these kind of, my mom's brain. I really like the way these look because it looks like it's, I don't know. I don't really know what to call it. It looks more homemade, I guess. But these look so cute and they look so dazzling. It's like, oh my gosh. So yeah. Which is your favorite? Let me show you guys them all. Which out of all of these are your favorite? Yep. I'm gonna use noodle packaging. Do you guys do that too? It's so much less, I mean, it's so much cheaper. You don't have to go out and buy this huge box. Oh my god, it's freezing! And I have shirts on. Oh my goodness. Where are the boxes? Mommy, what box? Oh my gosh, it's freezing! Wait, what box, Mommy? I don't see a box.
Yeah, a lot of bucko over there.
That would fit with this. Oh my gosh, it's so cold! Oh my goodness. That will not fit that thing.
This fit.
Look at it. Oh yeah, do you guys also do this? Save your grocery plastic bags. Anyways, this is a noodle package. Oh wait, this is not. This is Oriental brand cured sausage. This is the Bucko. I told my mom it didn't fit this. What'd I tell you? What'd I say? We're gonna have to use this Bucko package. Little package. Alright, let's get to the light. Okay. I'm going to be doing this. I don't know how you do those thingies where it like just, does that thing. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? That thing where, you just, I don't know how to explain it. It is something like this. Yeah. Oh, I did that thing! You gotta repackage this. I was gonna hate that I did that. It's my presents! Mom wants this. Oh, did you pass me my scissors? In my room. It's on my table. It's right next to my brush right there. Yeah. Oh man. You can't even tell whose side. Like, you can't even tell if my mom did this one or did I do this one. And then, did I do this one or did my mom do this one? Professional, professional.
Trong đi vòng trong qua cái đường cạnh tịch mà cắt thơm mạnh ao cắt không được đi vào thái cầm cô lâu vào đây rồi nó nào ra kịp
Ta-da! The other side didn't have enough space, but I tried. First in class again.
Welcome aboard Route 39E.
Like this, okay? And I'm gonna do this one. Is he walking with Lindsay? No. Oh goodness. Tamara's doing something. What's up?
I
love this phrase.
Now, I read this thing on Huffington.
He's in a reality show called Chrisley Knows Best, which it says right there. Stupid virus, it just always does that. But I've never had that before until the virus came. I need to get it out. But anyway, his reality show is called Chrisley Knows Best. His family has such individual character. It's like so amazing. And oh man, I've been missing their episodes because I usually watch it on YouTube. There's this YouTuber who puts out their episodes and they can't anymore because of copyright reason or whatever. I don't know. But because I never have time to watch it on TV, so I try to watch it on YouTube in my free time when I'm at school, when I have that free hour. So yeah, come on you guys, come on. And also I hate admitting this, but Valerie just called me and I was like, I'm like getting really kind of tired right now. I don't know, that hot chocolate. But anyway, I must have put like too much powder, too much chocolate powder. But anyway, I'm getting really tired. And then I was watching this and I was like getting really into it. And Valerie called me and I was like, what? And then she was just reminding me about the new episodes tonight, which is so awesome. I'm so excited. And my bad for yelling at you, Valerie. I'm sorry. New episode. Yes, the monster. It's okay. Hey guys, I know I look extremely funny right now. I seriously pinned everything down so that it could like dry straight and not frizzy, because that it just usually happens. And yeah, my face looks extra shiny because instead of my lotion I am using Vaseline, because that's what my mom does and she has like beautiful skin and she doesn't even look her age at all. Like you guys won't guess it. You won't guess it. And yeah, she told me to do it anyway, so I'm doing it now. And look you guys, my face is almost starting to match my neck and chest because of the exfoliating wonders. Anyway, I'm gonna do my essay now. It's gonna keep me up all night. I finished showering obviously, but yeah, I used up all the hot water again. Oh well. So anyway, okay, I'm just gonna end it here because I have a lot of work to do. Well, it's only one assignment, but it'll take a while. And my mom put up my new curtains. Well, these were her old ones, but I love them. They look so cute, and I wish you guys could feel them, especially those ones. Those ones are like silk. Well, not silk, it's kind of like fabric-y, but it's so nice. And these ones are, I don't know how to describe them. What are these? I don't know how to describe them. But anyway, okay, when I finish my work I'll probably vlog it and just say bye. But officially right now I'm saying goodnight. So good night, you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, like. Oh, and send me your hiccup questions because I will be making a video about that and just answering everything about my hiccups. I really don't know what you guys want to know because you guys love my hiccups for some reason. Well, most of you. So I'm just gonna clear it all out, clear it all up and lay it out there so that it can be over. And hopefully you guys can like me for me and not just my hiccups. So yes. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm all set. That's it. Joke is joke.